Hello everybody, it's Richard Hart Win on Twitter, Richard Hart on YouTube, Richard Hart Official on Instagram. I'm here to give you another unboxing video. Spent another $30,000 on fashion stuff in Zurich, Switzerland. And I don't feel like traveling with all of the accessories, boxes and such, so we're gonna cut them open. We're gonna take a look at it, and we'll start with the Prada because it's here. Let's dig right into this stuff. I have to have the background blurred out quite a bit because it's a lot darker in the room than it is out there in beautiful Zurich, Switzerland. Here we go. Start cutting in. Don't even need to cut it. This here is, I don't know what most of this stuff is because I can't remember. Like these jacket bags. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. When you buy so much stuff, you can't remember everything you bought. Look at this. It's a leather down jacket. Let's take a look at it. This is also reversible? No, not reversible. Okay. Hope you like the sound of things rubbing on the shirt. And I have so much stuff here to open, I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to actually wear it all. This little Prada logo deal here. Nice. And to go with this, or not to go with it, but another cool Prada thing you guys might have seen some pictures of yesterday. We had our Hexagon meetup, hex.com. Also pulsechain.com. I got these nice moon boots here with bags attached to them. They have little bags that go on the side of them. These are pretty killer. These are made of recycled fish nets. They're called Re-Nylon. Cool. We got a GIVENCHY backpack to match the other GIVENCHY stuff you saw. And I don't mean GIVENCHY, sorry. In this case, it's BALMAIN. I'm also wearing a BALMAIN shirt. I also got that other darker colored BALMAIN mask to match the same color as that big jacket you saw. Let's keep digging in here. That might be all the Prada stuff I got. No, lots more Prada stuff. Let's dig in. Nope. Oh, it did work. It's like a shoelace. Cool. This is going to be speed unboxing, guys. Here, oh, a Prada necklace thing. I think they call this a bola. It's like a bow tie kind of thing. Put it around your neck, tighten it up your shirt. And we got another little Prada bag that seems identical to the one that was on my shoe. Cool. Another bola. Belt pocket thing, which can also hang. It's from straps here. Nice. Ooh, fancy shirts. Jean jacket shirt. Plus banana shirt. Plus also fancy, but not banana. Now I think that's all the Prada stuff. And we'll get into Burberry. What do we got here? Burberry little mini messenger bag thing. I'm sure there's some better name for that. Burberry shorts. This would be more fun if I told you what everything cost, but don't really have the time for it. Burberry hat. More shorts. More shorts. What do you cost, buddy? 560 Swiss francs. So that's like $700, I guess. Little mini Burberry bag thing. Cool. Check it out. Burberry sweatpants. What do you cost? 800 Swiss francs. These are like $1,000. Cool. I like when people go, top signals, top signals. You're like, guys, weren't you there many X ago when I bought $2 million of watches? It's dum-dums. Dum-dums. All right. Let's dig into the Gucci. Wow, look at this whole tracksuit here. This is Gucci's 100th anniversary limited blah blah, and price on this bad boy, I don't see it written on the sticker. Let's just say that everything you see is like 1,000 to 2,000 for the most part. Nice. Matching. And these have reflective little things on them too, which is cool. The pants have the price. No, I tore it off. Nice. All right. Jean jacket top. Don't have a bottom to go with that. Oh, wait. Yes, I do. Don't have the pants bottom, but I have a shorts bottom. Cool. These are heavy, man. This must be all the shoes. Super heavy. 100th anniversary shoes. In general, I don't like white shoes. They get dirty too easy, and I don't like these ones that are really short, like low top. These will be good for driving because Ferrari has a really low driving position. So your foot's weird on a heel. So I'm probably gonna wear these today for driving. Because we're driving to Paris from Zurich, and it's like a 7.5 hour drive, which is longer when you actually do it. So it's gonna be like a 9 hour drive today. It's a lot of driving. It'd be nice to have something comfortable to drive. So we got here. Gucci. Monogram print. I got a lot of other stuff that goes with that. a miracle to find shoes in my size, so I kind of will even buy some that aren't my perfect favorites just because they fit. Online shoppers don't have this problem. What do we got in here? Ooh, these are really nice. Look at that. Now, I don't like print patterns that are printed on as much as I like actual textured kind of fabric stuff, but color's right, monogram's right, height's right. Yay, free tall. So those are nice. Of this haul, I think those would be my favorite ones. And Gucci stuff, as far as shoes go. Another full Gucci tracksuit. Shorts. Top. There you go. Dig into the Louis Vuitton. Here we've got another Keep All 50 centimeter neon. What about two? I only had one. It's got the cute little lock on there. Different kind of strap than the other normal Keep Alls. There we go. And you know what? Let's just chuck shoes in there. Here you go. Shoes. Here's your new home. See? Look at that. Easy. This is another Keep All. This one's even smaller. So the usual like big Keep All is 55, and then that one was a 50, and I think this is a 45. You can see the difference in size. See it? Shorter or less long. This is neat because it has gold accessories, which I like. It has that print that matches my some of my other Louis stuff. It's got this leather suede interior, really cool. There's that gold accessories. So these are neat. They're just very small. This is same kind of leather as this, which is the same kind of leather as my big jacket, which is around here somewhere. My utility jacket, like the Admiral jacket, but not a monogram. Same thing, but one had a zipper, one didn't. Give up on that. Ooh, little Louis Vuitton bag that you can put on stuff or hook to stuff. You could put a mask in there, you could put memory in there. Neat. Ah, yes. I got this belt for some lucky lady, don't know who yet, so that I could get this, which they're not going to get, little backpack, which I have a bunch of these backpack bracelets, but I don't have one that hooks on a belt. And so now I've got a little Louis Vuitton backpack belt accessory, but I had to buy a girl's belt to get it. Lol. This is funny. I'm probably never going to wear this. Ever. There we go. Put it on backwards. I think I even put it on backwards. Yeah, I did. This thing is weird. It's this way. There you go. Look, it's a very weird Louis Vuitton pocket thing that you can put stuff in, but it doesn't fit a phone, so. Okay, yeah. This would probably be the silliest purchase, in my opinion. Yeah, that's gonna win silliest. We got here. Oh, this is gonna be nice. I remember this one. Yeah, there we go. Check that out. This is killer. Killer, killer, killer. Orange and brown denim jacket. Fits beautiful. I think this was like $3,500. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Love it. Absolutely love it. Killer. All right, we done? Probably not, but you know what? For the sake of time, and because I got to drive 7.5, which ends up being 9 hours when you're done stopping for gas and such. You guys are awesome. Congratulations on the pulsechain.com testnet being launched. Go there and play around with your testnet coins, your testnet PRC20, ERC20 copies, your testnet HEX, your testnet Pulse, which if you had Ethereum, you've got, you know, 1-to-1 ratio free Pulse on there. Just go to twitter.com/RichardHartWin, twitter.com/PulseChain.com, and you're going to find instructions on how to go to the GitLab to, you know, see the instructions on how to change your MetaMask to access all your free stuff on the testnet. Follow me on Richard Hart on YouTube, Richard Hart Win on Twitter, Richard Hart Official on Instagram. Free books, t.me/SciVive. Free price calls, t.me/Richard's calls, I think. And 45,000 people, I think, in t.me/PulseChain.com, and like 40,000 in t.me/Hex Crypto. It's really good seeing all you guys at the meetup last night here in Zurich. A bunch of fabulous Hexicans, got some good pictures from that. Hopefully I'll be able to upload my own. I just kind of been linking to other people's because, you know, after a long day, you want to sleep instead of fight post-production stuff. So have fun, everybody. Keep killing it. Hexicans, you're amazing out there. Talk to you soon, guys.